Got job of the day. Customer wanted me to change the backing plate on one of the wheels, so I'm doing that. Got his backing plate off, new backing plate on. Everything's wired in. I'm gonna shrink wrap that and then zip tie everything up so it's clean. And new hub is packed with new bearings, new seals, and grease. Axle rear cotter key is on. Pounding the dust caps. And zip tie it up, shrunk wrap up. All wires are secure. I'll check the brake before I do anything else. Rear is on, free spinning. Free spinning. Brakes on. Brakes locked up. Brakes off. Free spinning. Brakes on. So it's self-adjusting, so I'm gonna hit it in reverse. Brakes off. Free spinning. Brakes on. Locked up. Perfect. Off. And back to free spinning. Cool. Let's check his other brakes. Brakes are on. Locked up. Brakes are off. Free spinning. Got his other side. Front passenger. Free spinning. Brakes on. Locked up. Back to free spinning. Rear. Free spinning. Locked up. Free spinning. Cool. All brakes work. Let's check his lights for shits and gigs. Yeah, those lights are on. Front passenger's on. Rear passenger's on. Good. Good. Right turn is on. Left turn is on. Back to markers. Markers are on. Good. He's got one marker out up here. I'll let him know that. This job's done. New bearings, new seals, new grease, new backing plate. And then his brakes are adjusted. Everything's zip tied. Everything's butt connected. And everything's shrunk wrapped. He's getting a new tire, so he's going to put the tire and wheel on. This job's done. I'm on to the next.